Hey everyone, Jason Rutherford here with Model Technology Solutions. Today, I'm going to take a handwritten PDF that's very unstructured and very poorly written and use an Agentic AI agent coupled with the n8n workflow to take that PDF, OCR it into structured digital data. Lots of ways to do this. This is just one example. Hope you enjoy the content. Hey everyone, Jason Rutherford here with another Agentic AI workflow video. In this video, we're going to take this poorly written PDF file that's got job ID, person, company, and time, and we're just going to turn this into a table, into a digital format that we can use for some other system. So the goal of this video is to take a handwritten PDF and use AI to get this into a digital format that is more usable. So here we have our n8n canvas, and essentially we are just going to start with a form submission. We're going to upload it to Mistral. We're going to get a signed URL. We're going to have Mistral do the OCR. We're going to do some coding on the back end to get the results. So let's get it started. So the first step is I'm going to go ahead and choose my document to OCR, choose that document, hit start, and then come back to the canvas here. And I'm just going to go step by step in this process. So then on the Mistral API, we're going to use our bearer auth token, and we're essentially going to feed it a purpose to OCR the n8n binary file that we're getting. So we'll go ahead and execute that. And you notice we now have some information about the file that was uploaded. That is uploaded to the Mistral API v1 files location, and we're just going to get that ID, get that URL, execute that step, and then we have a URL for the file to process. Okay. Next, we're going to go to our OCR piece. We're going to go back to the Mistral API. This time, we're going to pass it some JSON parameters. We're going to give it the URL, and we're going to feed it to the OCR API from Mistral. We'll execute that. And in here, we get a markdown out of the pages array, and we get a markdown of the actual data that's in there. Now, in this one, you'll notice that my handwriting was so bad, it actually came out as cursive as opposed to person. We need to do some JavaScript here to actually get this into a format that we like. 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. So this has just been a very quick tutorial on how to get handwritten OCR data into a usable format. Now, hopefully your lines are more structured than this, but I tried to make it the worst handwriting example as possible. Thanks, we'll see you next time.